Wide Open Outdoor Adventures with your host, Dave Valtiera. We'll make you a better sportsman.
Subscribe to the Wide Open Sportsman YouTube channel today. Today on Wide Open, we're going to Florida to dive with sharks. You better hold on tight for this one. Check out this beast. Hello, I'm Dave Valtiera with Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. On this YouTube segment, I'm going to showcase some of my Florida footage, specifically scuba diving Florida style. We're going to go to Jupiter, Florida and dive with sharks. I'm going to roll out with my friend Ryan Walton of Shark Tours Florida. As a lot of you know, I'm a gadget guy. This is a Suunto fluid-filled dive compass. It's one of the newest, coolest products on the market. It's the same brand as my dive computer. We're going to showcase some gadgets. We're going to show you some amazing footage. We're going to Florida. You better buckle up for this one. It's going to get good right now. As I glide the camera along the reef, I see amazing things. The next thing around the corner could be a surprise. I love diving. Some people say it could make them claustrophobic. Not to me. It's wide open. I like to cruise the camera on the sea floor and look under the underwater ledges. I've been diving since I was 15 years old. Florida has one of the largest shark concentrations in the world. The warm Gulf Spring waters come very close to land in Jupiter, Florida, and that's what brings these sharks in close. This shark didn't seem to mind me following him along. This is a beautiful lionfish as he displays his poisonous tentacles. Just around the corner, a beautiful aqua green moray eel gives me the eye. That's me. Thumbs up, baby. That's my dive master. I'm going to stick around him. They always seem to find cool stuff, and they can point it out to you as you dive. Here is another shark tucked away under this ledge. Until I came along, he didn't seem to like the lights of the camera, and off he goes. And off I go, following him. Another lionfish. Too cool. He doesn't seem to mind the lights. My Suunto dive computer keeps me safe. My atomic aquatic mask is, in my opinion, the best in the industry, and my Aqualung Legend second stage regulator provides me effortless breathing. Aqualung is one of the oldest products in the market. I know you're saying, where are the big sharks? Don't worry, I'm just showcasing some cool diving footage for now. I'm building up to the sharks. They're coming. Okay, now we're riding with Ryan Walton and we're heading to the first destination for sharks.
Right there. We got Tim on camera. I'm filming him with this camera.
Okay, I've abandoned my scuba tanks and now we're snorkeling with Ryan. He's free diving and chumming the water. If you notice, Ryan is not putting blood in the water. This fish material has been soaked, so the blood has been removed. We're not trying to create a feeding frenzy. We just want to bring some of these sharks from the bottom up to the surface. That was the first stop. The sharks were too deep. None came up to where I was. We're now motoring our way to the next stop, but I can't help filming myself a little bit. I gotta get this camera gear dialed in. All right, this is it. I'm scuba diving again, and there are some really big sharks here. In these Florida waters, the diversity of sharks found here is amazing. These stellar creatures are apex predators at the top of their marine food chains. They regulate the populations of species below them. Research has shown that massive depletion of sharks has cascading effects throughout the ocean's ecosystems. Sharks are in a family of fish that have skeletons that are made of cartilage. This tissue is more flexible and lighter than bone. They breathe through a series of 5 to 7 gill slits located on either side of their bodies. All sharks have multiple rows of teeth, and while they lose teeth on a regular basis, new teeth continue to grow in and replace those that they lose. Most sharks are especially active in the evening and night when they hunt. Many sharks migrate over great distances to feed and breed. They can range over the entire ocean basin. Thanks for spending some time with us today on this episode of Wide Open. I had an awesome time this year scuba diving in Florida. In fact, I had 7 destination dives in Florida, from West Palm Beach, Florida to Key West. Florida is an awesome place. This is exactly why. Truly amazing. Sharks have been around for about 400 million years. Their super senses have helped them survive such a long time. Their keenest sense is smell. Other senses are vision, hearing, taste, vibration, and electroperception. You may ask, what is electroperception? Well, that means they can detect electronics. And as I film sharks in the wild with high-end underwater electronic equipment, I know they can detect me. Special thanks to our friends at Shark Tours Florida for providing us some of this amazing footage that we're showcasing on today's YouTube post. Those guys rock it in Florida. Contact them today. Just get out there. Visit wideopensportsman.com every day for your daily fix of adrenaline. You know, it's always wide open.